Righto, new job in the workshop. Mazda MPS. This one's got a fully forged motor. It's got a pretty trick head on it. I'm pretty sure it's got cans in it and everything as well. Big, I'm not too sure. I think it's a Pulsar turbo. I'm pretty sure that's an XS power manifold and a 44 GFB gate. We're doing an external wastegate, 3-inch dump pipe, 3.5-inch intake, and 2.5-inch intercooler piping. Yeah, obviously this bay, if you know anything about MPSs, they're pretty chaotic. There's a lot going on. So hopefully we are gonna be building. We got this nice 3.5-inch tube we've polished up to a nice mirror finish. So this will give you a little bit of the idea of what we're trying to achieve in this bay. This pod filter here is not staying. We're obviously going to be replacing that with a quality one. But yeah, we're cooking up a bit of a storm, eh? This thing's going to go crazy. I'm also thinking we might cook up a cheeky little mirror finish catch can, put up in this top corner for our customer. Just give them something to set this thing off, eh? Something that's going to blend in, keep with the theme, make it look hell tidy, something that you just won't be able to buy off the shelf. Then we got to get on, put a 3-inch dump pipe in there, do something with this 44mm gate. We're going to keep this one external. Started on the dump pipe. Well, got the dump pipe finished up. Just needs to be welded. Had some O2 sensors put in it. You can see we've got the wastegate in there. That's just going to be an external gate. It's not getting plumbed back in. Yeah, I don't know. Should be pretty savage, eh? Dump pipes, like, got a bit of clearance on that. On that bit of plastic on the bit of the alternator there. Probably going to have to do a little bit of trimming. Over here we got the mid pipe. Just got to put a flange on that end. But yeah, about to start welding. Going to purge weld this all up. I'll do a little informational section on purge welding, and yeah. So you can see these welds look cracker. These are great until you look inside. And that there is a non-purge welded piece of stainless. Well, that is more likely to crack, more likely to corrode, and more likely to break and give you issues down the track. So what you want to be doing is purge welding, which is the process of filling up this tube with the same gas as what we flow out the end of the TIG torch, which is argon. So, got these trick little bungs, basically. That one goes in that end. That one's got a little fitting on it. Basically, come over, you want to set this regulator to about half of what your flow rate is coming out of your cup. I run on about 15 to 20, so I put it on like 8 or 9. Now we'll fill this tube up, weld out these few welds here. Not the V-band one. And yeah, I'll show you the results when we're done. So now these are our finished up welds. We'll crack these purge plugs out. They're going to be pretty warm. Not going to be able to see much up this end so far away, but we pop it off into the light. You'll see there's a pretty beautiful weld in there. Yeah, by no means is it perfect, but looks good.